Hello! This video tutorial will walk you through some of the IT systems you'll use as a student here at Valpo. First, on behalf of the Information Technology Department, welcome. My name's Becky Klein and I'm the manager of IT Communications. On behalf of our whole team, it's our pleasure to serve you while you're here at Valpo. The content of this video is also all available through the IT website at valpo.edu/IT. To get started, here's a quick overview of that site. On the left-hand side of the page, you'll find the Quick Links section, which includes a list of links to all systems that IT maintains. We'll cover a number of these links with you in this video. In order to log into any IT systems, you'll need to know your login credentials, which we refer to as your ValpoNet login. All incoming students receive an email containing their ValpoNet credentials upon registering for Focus. This automated email is delivered to the email address you used when applying to Valpo. Generally, your username will be the first letter of your legal first name, followed by up to 7 letters of your legal last name. You may also have a number at the end of your username if your name is more common. It's imperative that you set a new password by following the instructions in the email. Many of our systems will not allow you access using the temporary password. This list is a sample of the most common systems that use your ValpoNet credentials. Of course, there are more. To ensure you can access your accounts at any time, set your password and recovery options in the Account Management System. Click this link to access our YouTube video with instructions on setting your password. The Account Management System is available 24 hours a day at apps.valpo.edu/AMS. It'll look familiar if you've already set a password. In case you forget your password or get locked out of your account, visit the AMS and click on the link labeled Reset My Password. This lets you reset your password using the recovery options associated with your account without having to visit our IT help desk. You should always know that no individual or department on campus should ever ask for your ValpoNet password, not even IT staff. Never share your password with anybody. Your student accounts with access to financial and personal data are located behind that password. Anybody who needs access to your information will have their own credentials on our systems and will never need your login information. DataView is the system you'll use to complete tasks and access information related to topics like financial aid, financial information, registration, your academic profile, meal plans and housing, fitness center registration, parking self-service, the health center student patient portal, allowing parent guest access, personal information updates, enrollment verification, and more. To log into DataView, visit dataview.valpo.edu. Click the brown Login button on the top right of the screen. Enter your ValpoNet credentials to gain access to DataView. Remember, it's case sensitive and your username should be all lowercase. This may be an issue if you're using a mobile device, since those devices often capitalize the first letter in fields. Once you're logged in, an expanded main menu will appear with options based on your access profile. Let's spend a little time on DataView showing you around. First, click on the blue Students button. This is where you'll spend most of your time when you're using DataView. When you're preparing to register for classes, you'll want to know how to find available sections. So in the registration section, click the link for Search for Sections. We've got a short YouTube video with instructions on searching for sections, so click this link to view that video. As a brand new student, someone from the registrar's office will sit down with you and register you for your first semester of classes. But in subsequent semesters, you'll register for classes yourself. We've got another YouTube video with instructions on how to do that too. After you're registered, your parents may ask you for a printout of your class schedule. To do that, go to the blue Students menu and click the Print My Schedule link. You'll need to specify the semester and then you'll get a page with a grid of your classes. Click the Print button at the bottom to send it to a nearby printer. Here's an important note about your schedule. You'll need to log into DataView in August before classes start to see if any of your assigned classroom locations have changed, especially if any of them said TBA for the location information. Classroom changes are common in August, such as in situations where a professor needs specific classroom technology or a student needs an accommodation. The easiest way to check your schedule is to use the class schedule link in the academic profile of the Students menu. Once you select the correct term, you'll see a grid with your classes listed and quite a bit of important information, such as location, dates and times, number of credits, and your professor. You'll also see links under Book Look and Book Now, which take you to the campus bookstore's website so that you can see the list of required course materials, as well as give you the option to purchase what you need and charge it to your student account. Most parents expect their students to grant them access to information like grades and student financial records. We've got a short YouTube video to show you how to set up this access. Click here to watch that video. We have more YouTube videos on our channel that cover additional things you can do in DataView, many of which you won't have to worry about during the first few weeks of class. So be sure to visit our YouTube playlist entitled DataView Tutorials. For now, let's move on. We receive many questions about which devices are allowed on campus. Basically, you can bring anything that receives a Wi-Fi connection, including computers, tablets, smartphones, gaming systems, streaming devices, etc. We do have a few restrictions on routers and machines running server software. If it sends out a Wi-Fi signal, that interferes with our network and is prohibited. Save yourself a lot of pain and heartache by installing antivirus or anti-malware software. But be sure you only run one of these applications. 2 or more is not better in this case, as they start attacking each other. Free or paid will do just fine. But if you'd like some assistance, our help desk can help you with your choice and installation if necessary. Printing is available in all public labs through a system called PaperCut, and you get a quota of free printing each semester, so you don't need to bring your own printer to campus. If you do, however, make sure you disable wireless printing and only plug the printer directly into your computer. Wireless printers cause conflicts with our campus Wi-Fi network and are prohibited. Our network staff will disable your network access until you've resolved the Wi-Fi conflict, so avoid the hassle and don't use wireless printing. Keep in mind, every time you connect a device or log into one of our systems, you're agreeing to our acceptable use policy. This agreement is linked at valpo.edu/IT and governs all technology use on campus. Basically, if something's illegal, like stealing music or movies, etc., don't do it. The official means of communication here on campus is email. Valpo utilizes Google as our email provider. As an educational institution, this allows us to provide you with a full Google account, including unlimited Gmail storage, unlimited file storage on Drive, and many other apps and features offered by Google's G Suite for Education. Once you're registered for classes, the university will only utilize your valpo.edu email for all communications, including but not limited to class registration, student accounts, billing, campus announcements, faculty communications, and so forth. While Gmail is excellent at preventing spam and scam emails, occasionally a few slip through. Recognizing fraudulent email is simple as long as you're aware of the tricks scammers use to entrap you. Again, never give your password to anyone for any reason. We see scams from time to time telling you your quota is expiring, that you need to revalidate your Blackboard account, or a few others. These are always phishing. To learn more about how to protect yourself, we have an excellent YouTube video on our channel. As a student, you have full access to LinkedIn Learning with over 11,000 courses on professional, creative, and technical topics. This resource is used in a number of courses and is also available 24/7 on any device with an internet connection, including smartphones, tablets, and streaming devices. LinkedIn Learning is a fantastic way for you to learn additional skills beyond the classroom. You've got access to this service now, even before classes begin. To get started, log in at valpo.edu/r/lynda. Our help desk can perform troubleshooting and first-level response to any issues you may be experiencing. They also route issues to the correct IT staff members in the event that an issue needs to be escalated. You can reach them via phone at 219-464-5678. Additionally, you can submit an iTicket to our system directly by visiting helpdesk.valpo.edu or by sending an email to helpdesk@valpo.edu. The IT department uses the iTicket system to record, prioritize, and manage issues on campus. Utilizing this system allows us a greater opportunity to serve you better. Submitting an iTicket directly at helpdesk.valpo.edu will match articles from our knowledge base for common issues. This may even allow you to solve the issue without the intervention of IT staff. During your time here at Valpo, we'll communicate with you through a variety of channels, including email, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube. Be sure to follow us for the latest tips, announcements, service notices, etc. In closing, remember that our help desk is here to assist you with any IT-related questions, concerns, or issues you may experience. Thank you for spending a little bit of time with us today. And remember, we're here to support you. And welcome to Valpo.